G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel. I've now managed to get the positive inverter portion of the circuitry to work, and now we have proper monochrome pictures in positive form. So we're getting picture positive now. What I actually did was, I actually realised was I was getting too much signal gain between the the Z out axis, which goes straight to the Z input. I was getting too much gain from there, going to the op amp negative input, which that circuitry inverts the Z in the picture to from negative to positive. I was actually getting too much gain going into the op amp, so hence I was getting pretty much no picture. So what I did was between the negative input, I've put a variable resistor to ground so I can lower the gain of the signal, so I don't get picture saturation. So which you can see here, I've got me 5k variable pot there. I mean, I could have used a lower one, but I just grab whatever's in front of me because I'm experimenting. So I've connected that between pin 3 of the chip, which is a negative video input. I've connected between there and ground, and I've lowered the resistance, so which in turn lowers the gain to the negative input, and so as a result I'm now getting a low enough signal that it won't clip at the up after going through the op amp, and I'm now getting a picture in picture positive. Now, let's point the camera at something. When I adjust the pot, which I'm going to do now, just get the picture up. When I adjust the pot, when it's too low, you lose the signal completely, obviously. But when I adjust it up, that's what you get: an overly saturated video or Z output signal, which of course you'll get no picture, just a plain raster. And when I lower it to the right level, I get a picture. One thing I do notice, so this circuit is, the picture is still horizontally back to front, so the left side of the picture is on the right and the right side of the picture is on the left. That's something I'm going to have to question the fella who made the schematic about in how to fix that up. But apart from that, I'm very happy I'm getting a picture. The only other catch is I'm getting a very noisy picture. I'm getting diagonal lines in the picture, and I'm getting rather noisy other forms of noise artifacts, which degrade the picture a bit. But I'm quite happy. I'm now getting half decent looking pictures on the display. Still wonder why I'm getting another image offsetted down below that's quite bright, and a bigger image on top, which is the majority of the image. Don't know how I can explain it, but I'm getting like two images in one that looks quite squashed, and the other one which looks to be of normal height. Anyways, I'm very happy that that my video to scope circuit is now closer to working properly. So yeah, let's film around the garage. Film a few objects and things and stuff that I have. That's outside my garage. Front yard, neighbours' houses. Unfortunately I'm getting a lot of sun glare off the screen of the Crow, so it makes it a bit harder to see. Picture kind of looks washed out though. Again, probably still getting a bit too much gain. I can probably adjust that. Lower perhaps. Yeah, it's looking a lot better, but at the cost of picture intensity on the screen. Anyway, yeah, that's the front yard. Might raise the intensity a bit more and shoot around the garage. Actually, no, I won't bother doing that. Now, of course, up there is the Dick Smith oscilloscope, which I intend to hook this circuit up to and permanently turn it into a video monitor. So I find it would look really cool as a video monitor, seeing that I don't have any real good practical use for that Crow anymore. Now I have me Tektronix. I'm also hoping to turn that into a narrow bandwidth television monitor to display 32 line pictures, which can be derived from software means or from the vintage John Logie Baird style mechanical camera means. So I want to make that Crow into a video monitor / narrow bandwidth television monitor. Be like back in the 30s, integrating mechanical television with cathode ray tube television. Well, actually mechanical camera and cathode ray tube monitor. Be a really cool experiment to try. Anyways, that's my intentions for this circuit. And the narrow bandwidth circuit I'm going to make in the near future. Anyways, yeah, filming around the garage. Got my, as mentioned, I've got my Crow, got me component boxes. Over here I've got me TV monitor. Got me isolation transformer. If I can get enough detail, I can show you me. Yep, show you me circuit. Yeah, it's a bit hard to see, but anyhow. And of course, that's me. Very hard to see though, at the intensity level I've got the pot adjusted to. Let's see if we can improve on that. There I am. So yeah, I can be much better seen now. And yeah, of course, point to me circuit Yep, there's my video to oscilloscope circuit. Unfortunately, it doesn't look very intelligible on the monitor, but you can probably just make it out. Anyways, I'm very happy with the progress I made with this video to scope circuit, and I'm going to be refining it even more and making it work a lot better, and eventually get it hooked up to me Dick Smith Pro. I'm also going to get a proper camera and hook it up and point it to the Pro monitor so you can see much better pictures on the display, which I'll do in my next video. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed this video. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel signing out.